ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಠಿಣವಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಸೇವನೆಯ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗನ್ನು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಸೇವನೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಗೊಳಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ RLS ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮಾನವಾಧಿಕಾರ ಸೇನಾ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ RLS ಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಸೇವನೆಯ ದುಷ್ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು.
Very good morning. Yes, thank you. Respected Principal Madam, Girja Madam, ASI Sir, Patil Sir, Camp Police Station, State Director, Mr. Neeraj, Human Rights, officials of the Human Rights, faculty members, and my dear students. Right? Myself, I am Dr. Sachin Shunaigar. Basically, I am a dentist. To be more precise, I am a gum specialist. Right? So again, in dentistry, we have different branches. So I deal with only the part of your mouth, that is your gums. Presently I am working as a professor at Maratha Middle Dental College. And before I start my lecture, I firstly would like to thank the officials of all the Human Rights Corps for giving me an opportunity to talk before you on one of the important aspects in our day-to-day life. Right? Like this movie? I'm sure you might have watched this movie, right? Anybody who's not watched, the last bench is there. The last faces who are hiding there. You watched this movie, right? We enjoyed this movie watching on the screen. We still remember each and every scene of this movie. Why? Because we have loved this movie. Probably we have watched these movies more than once, right? Now, what is the common scene in both of these movies? Do you remember these movie scenes? Is there any common scene which is there in this movie, both of these movies? Can you guess? Remember this scene? Remember the dialogues also? Char ana, 8 anas. Right? I am sure you might be knowing the names of those characters as well. Right? What happened next? That also you remember. Right? Remember this scene in this movie? Right. Now what exactly is happening here?
Ragging.
Wow, great. We enjoyed this scene watching on the screen of the television or the theater, but in the reality it is something different, right? In the reality, this is ragging, right? This is ragging, but somewhere we enjoyed this movie scenes, right? But ragging is not a joke, right? We can enjoy the scenes in the movies, but it is in the reality is not a joke. What it is? It is a crime. When you say it is a crime, then you will be penalized by the code of the law, right? So ragging is not a laughing matter. It is a serious offense that can lead to a tragic consequences. It is not just the violation of the human rights, but it is also the violation of the law, right? Just because we saw some scenes in the movies and chalo, let's do the same thing in the real life. No, never. In the real life, even if you think of doing such things, your career is gone. That's the end of your career. So such scenes are to be enjoyed only in the movies, not in the real life.
ಮತ್ತು ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಗೊಳಿಸಿದರು. ಮಹಾದೇವ್ ಪವಾರ್, ಕನ್ನಡಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ.